You're watching this video right now, on a screen, in a room, somewhere on Earth, and somehow a bunch of data traveled from a computer far, far away and landed exactly in front of your eyeballs. How on earth does that actually work? Buckle up, we're going on a trip inside the internet. Let's start simple. The internet is basically a gigantic network of computers all connected together, like a city where every house has a phone line. Except instead of houses, it's billions of devices. And instead of voices, it's data zipping around at the speed of light. Now, when you type something in your browser, let's say, a cat video, your device doesn't just magically receive the video. It sends a polite little request. Hey, can I get that video, please? That request travels from your device, through your Wi-Fi router, out of your home, and into the wider world. Think of your router as your neighborhood post office. It knows how to pass your letter along. Your request doesn't travel in one big chunk. It gets cut into tiny pieces called packet. Imagine shredding your letter into tiny confetti, sending each piece on a different route, and somehow getting them back in the right order on the other side. Crazy? Yes. Efficient? Also, yes. These packets hop through a series of traffic managers called router. Each one looks at the packet and says, all right, you need to go that way, like a relay race, but for data. So where does your request actually go? It goes to a server, which is just a fancy word for a very powerful computer whose whole job is to sit there and wait for requests. Honestly, the most patient computer in the world. That server has the cat video you want. It says, sure, here you go, and sends it back, again in tiny packets, which travel back to your device and get reassembled into the video you wanted. All of this happens in under a second. Incredible, right? Here's the twist, though. None of this is actually magic. Somewhere, underneath the ocean, there are real, physical cables, thousands of miles of them, carrying your data as pulses of light. Yes, your cat video literally traveled underwater. Respect. And when cables aren't available, data jumps through the air as radio waves from satellites. One last thing. How does your data know where to go? Every device on the internet has a unique address, kind of like a home address, but for computers. It's called an IP address. And when you type something like google.com, there's a system behind the scenes that translates that friendly name into the actual numeric address of Google's servers. Think of it as the internet's phone book, except it answers in milliseconds instead of making you flip through 800 pages. So next time your Wi-Fi is slow, just remember, a mind-boggling chain of cables, routers, servers, and light-speed data is working around the clock just so you can watch a cat fall off a counter. The internet is honestly one of humanity's greatest achievements, and you're using it right now to watch this. If you like this, hit the subscribe button so we can dive again in the internet next time. Thanks for watching.